Everybody, before we jump live once again in Ohio in the Erica Stefanko murder trial, I want to get some perspective on what we just heard from the last witness. Holly, we heard from this manager of the Domino's, a friend of the victim, Ashley Biggs, and now under cross-examination by the defense, you heard the defense picking apart these certain details that kind of contradicted the testimony of Chad Cobb. Specifically, if you listen to that the pizza was at half pepperoni, half mushroom, he said no. But yesterday, when Chad Cobb, the confessed killer, spoke about what the pizza, he said, I thought it was strange that Erica ordered half and half. So clearly, they're trying to say you can't believe what Chad Cobb said. What's your perspective on what we heard, that last bit of testimony from Mr. Travis?
I think it does pose problems for Chad Cobb's testimony, because I think if I were to take, the convicted killer in jail who murdered his ex versus the person whose job it is every day to manage pizza orders, I'm going to go ahead and side with the pizza manager about what the pizza contained on it, including all of the details about the stickers that we just tediously walked through. And so I think it's a little bit of a discrepancy, but I still think that that's not going to be a smoking gun for the case. I actually think that the defense attorney did a good job of touching on the bias of the witness, but I would have fleshed out a little bit further how close the witness's wife is with the victim's girlfriend. And, you were really close, you really cared. You were basically Team Ashley versus Team Chad. So now you're going to do anything you can to, get the mastermind of this crime who was pulling the strings of the puppet Chad, and that would be Erica Stefanko.
We also heard them kind of saying under cross-examination, maybe you weren't entirely sure who the caller was. Maybe it was a man, maybe it was a female. And then you also heard this kind of idea of, well, when did you notice another car in this area? And trying to suggest that, even as strong as the prosecution's case is, maybe people are assuming more than what the details actually show. Well, we have a new witness on the stand.